I'm going to remove M7 subway line. Ha 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 ha. Yay! M7 subway line is gone. No more M7 subway line.
Ronno, how dare you remove M7 subway line? Now the train is gone because of you. That's it. I'm calling your parents right now. Hello? Is this Ronno's parents? Your son Ronno removed M7 subway line. And now train is now gone. Can you please ground him for this? Okay. Thanks. Bye. I'm going to add train. Yes. The train is now back. Now he will never remove M7 subway line ever again. Now time to go.
Ronno, how dare you remove M7 subway line? You know you are not allowed to remove the train. That's it. You are grounded for 2 weeks.
Go to your room right now.
This is so unfair. Wow.